crayfish is a very strong, powerful ingredient for soup and any cooking in Nigeria. Okay, this is shrimp, okay, dried smoked shrimp. So we have to add fresh pepper. Let's blend it. So I'm gonna add our beans. It's properly soaked. Add our crayfish. Pepper. Onions. I'm gonna add water, then we'll blend it. So in this video, I'm going to be cooking a party style Nigerian moi-moi recipe. It's going to be different from all other beans pudding or moi-moi recipe I've made before. So I'm going to be blending. We have our onions. Here I have 3 cloves of garlic. Don't overwhelm it with spices. So we have our fresh tomatoes. So I'm going to blend everything and I'm going to fry it. All right, I'm going to fry it properly, then we add it to our beans. Let's add our oil. We are going to fry our tomatoes as I said, okay, for the moi-moi. Tomatoes and garlic and some onions blended. Some spices. This is thyme. This is nutmeg. It gives it that party taste. Nutmeg. Our curry powder. Garlic powder. Then we mix it up. We're going to allow it to cook down. Then we add it to the blended beans. Okay. So I'm going to season with salt and bouillon. So I'm going to add our bouillon so that it will dissolve. Mix it up. Then we'll allow it to cook down. So I'm going to add our tomatoes, ripe tomatoes, to the beans. I'm gonna mix it up, okay? It has seasoning, okay? So I'm gonna mix it up first before I can adjust the seasoning. So I'm going to be adding some salt. So to be on the safe side, I'm gonna be putting a bowl, okay? So we're going to be repeating it until we tie everything. It's the steam that cooks it, okay? Our moi-moi is ready, okay? I'm going to unwrap it. Today we prepared a delicious moi-moi. Look at that. It's very tasty. It's a Nigerian beans pudding, okay? It's still hot. It becomes very firm when you allow it to cool down, okay? Very, very tasty. I'm gonna be tasting it. Look at that, nutritious. Awesome. We've come to the end of this video. The moi-moi tastes so good. Today we prepared party style moi-moi and it's ready. We've come to the end of this video. Please share, subscribe, and I'll be seeing you once again in my next video. Bye. God bless you.